Etekcity 4-pack portable LED camping lantern flashlight with 12 AA batteries, survival kit for emergency, hurricane, power outage, black, collapsible, CL10. Ultra bright, includes 30 private power-saving LED bulbs, developed for a much longer lifespan. Bring 360 degrees of luminous light, while conserving POWER batteries included. Dependable build, constructed with armed forces quality. Promising veteran resilience, no issue where you go. Developed for convenience, the exceptionally lightweight build enables you to take your lantern on the go with convenience. When not being used, collapse the light to a smaller sized size. Store it easily, taking little area. Low consumption, light up to 12 hours of normal, continuous use with adequate battery capacity. Get with confidence, 90-day return refund assurance, 10-year service warranty and lifetime sustained by Etekcity. FCC, ROHS certified. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price. https://amzn.to/tube CEOLGR